That's a little bit of a long intro today, but hi, thank you so much for joining us. My name is Tommy. This is my best buddy, Dele. Dele is a character from my book, The Adventures of Dele, the Street Kid. If you haven't bought the book, please go out, buy the book. You will enjoy it. He gets up to so many adventures. Please, if you do buy, give us a wonderful, amazing review. Thank you so much. If this is your first time here, please do like, subscribe, share. Dele and I are on a mission to teach you how to play the djembe. So, before we start, we'll give you a quick 5-second countdown. So go and grab your instrument and let's get started. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ready or not? We're going to start. I'm ready. I've got my djembe. Dele's ready. He's got his djembe. You are ready. You've got your instrument at home. So before we start, let's get our hands ready to tap. So we're going to shake them out. We're going to get them ready. We're going to make sure that there's enough blood that's flown to our fingertips so that we can make awesome creative sounds. Let's go. Shake, shake, shake. Down, shake, shake, shake. Down, shake, shake, shake. Down, shake, shake, shake. Down, to the side, back, to the side, back, to the side, back, to the side, back, down, below. Okay, thank you so much for joining us again. Now, we have a new beat pattern to show you. It's easy, it's funky, it's fresh. You're going to like it. I love it. Dele completely loves it. And I know you will too. So, we have a 3-minute timer. We're going to learn this beat pattern in 3 minutes. Now, I know you can do it. You can always pause, have a practice, and then come back on and join us at your own pace. Here we go. So the beat pattern goes like this. Tap, beat, tap, beat, beat, tap, beat, tap. Okay, watch. Listen again. Tap, beat, tap, beat, beat, tap, beat, tap. Okay, now let's do it together. Let's go. Tap, beat, tap, beat, beat, tap, beat, tap. One more time together. Tap, beat, tap, beat, beat, tap, beat, tap. Yay! Okay, so what I want us to do now is the tap and the beat in our head so you can hear the beat pattern. So I'll have a turn first, then we'll have a turn together. One more time. Did you notice something about that beat? It's actually a reverse. So what I do here also. Anyway, now I want us to do that, but increase the tempo slightly. So I'll have a turn, you watch and listen, then we'll have a turn together. Let's have a turn together. Let's go. Yay! Well done. That was very, very good. If you need to pause, you can pause, practice again, and join us. Right. We've still got a little bit of time. What I want us to do is increase the tempo even more. So I'll have a turn, you listen, and then you can join in. But if you feel confident and you think, oh, Tommy, I can match your pace, let's go. Did you get that? Let's do it one more time. Excellent. One more time. The time's going to run out. I want us to increase the tempo even more. Come on, we've got this. Let's go. Let's go. If you got that, please give yourself a round of applause. If you didn't, it's fine. pause the video, practice, 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 and then come back on, and then you can tap as many times as possible. Well done, well done. I'm so proud of you. Dile's proud of you. We've run out of time, but I want us to do that one more time. Join me. Let's play for a little while. Let's do it together. Are you ready? I'm ready. Dile's ready. Let's go. Yay! Thank you so much for joining us. Please like, share, subscribe. Hope you're having fun with our little sessions here, and keep practicing. Practice makes perfect. Don't skip the episodes. Try and go on all the episodes. Start from 1 to 2, 3, 4, and keep going. And I guarantee you, if you don't stop, if you have that can-do attitude, you will learn how to play the djembe. And before you know it, you're coming up with your own beats and you're teaching other people how to play. Let's make the whole world play the djembe. It's such a cool percussion instrument. Thank you so much for joining us again. If you haven't gotten a copy of The Adventures of Dile the Street Kid, please do support us. It's on Amazon.com, Amazon.uk. And then also, Dile Toys will be coming out. Support the channel, help us grow. Thank you so much. No matter what it is that you are doing right now, please do it with a smile on your face, with a lot of determination in your heart. And there's nothing, and a can-do attitude, and there's nothing you will not be able to achieve. So have a wonderful day. Bye.